Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how easy it is for sellers on MEMIDOS to set up their own web shop on their own website using MEMIDOS Seller's Own Web Shop feature. With a few simple steps, you will be able to make your own web shop like this, with all your products in 20 different languages. In this tutorial, we are using the company Glovac as an example. Glovac is a company that manufactures healthy and user-friendly glove systems and works on making it easier to take close-fitting gloves on and off. To use this feature, you need to have a MEMIDOS account where your products are already set up. You will have to make a new page on your website and call it Shop or Web Shop. To demonstrate this, we have gotten permission to showcase this on Glovac's website. This feature will work with any content management system. In our case, we have chosen to have our shop on the /shop URL slug. Take note of what URL slug your shop will be located on, as this is important later. The URL slug is the text that is the end part of the URL after the /. Also make sure that the page where you want to display the shop does not have a header with the type H1 or header 1. This is because the product names on the product pages will be displayed in H1, and a web page can only have one header of the H1 type. When you've logged into MEMIDOS to access the Seller's Own Web Shop feature, we will have to press the Own Web Shop button in the sidebar. This will take you to this page. On this page, you can configure your own web shop for your website. This includes the colors that will appear on the web shop when it is set up. The URL slug is the text that comes after the / on the URL where your web shop page is located. If you have your shop located on example.com/webshop, you will need the URL slug to be web shop. In our case, we have the shop on the /shop URL slug. Therefore, we will leave it as it is. Now we will need to choose what colors we want for our web shop. The primary color determines what color the buttons and the rest of the web shop are shown in. In the color selector, you can click on the arrows to change what format the color code is shown in, or press the color selector tool to choose a color that is currently displayed on your screen. In our case, the primary color on our website is light blue. Therefore, we will choose light blue. You can choose the primary colors of your website or whatever you prefer. You can also customize the color of text displayed in the shop, but for this example, we will leave it as it is. When we have finished choosing the colors, we will then press the Save button. This will generate the HTML code for your web shop. When the site is done saving, we will copy the HTML code by pressing Copy. Then we will go to our own website. In this example, we will showcase this on a WordPress site, but it can work with any content management system. When you have found the page where you want the shop to be located, simply paste the code in. If you are using WordPress, this can be done with the custom HTML block. When you have pasted the HTML code into your page, save, publish, or upload your shop page to your website. When that is done, you have a web shop with your own products on your own website on your domain. On older websites, you might need to change some CSS for that page to make it visually pleasing. If you're having problems with getting everything to work, for example, on older content management systems, you might need to reach out to us. Customers are now able to purchase your products from your new shop on your own webpage. Everything is displayed and done on your website's domain. When your customer is going to pay, the customer is transferred to the MEMIDOS checkout page for secure payment. This means that you do not have to think about payment gateway or any other integrations, as everything is made ready to use. Your product data still only needs to be maintained in one place, which is your MEMIDOS Store Manager, and the orders will go to the order section in the Store Manager. This means that both the orders coming from your website and MEMIDOS will all be collected on the same page, making it simple for you to keep track and process all your orders. That's it. Enjoy your new web shop on your own website, powered by MEMIDOS.